Tennis Tourism Vietnam, which sports from the professional sector such as General Department of Environment, Ministries of Education and Training, Central Vietnam Students Association. It received participation from state agencies and social organizations. This program aims at raising people's awareness about protecting environment, the supporting green projects, and establishing community associations related to improve quality of habitat. There are many interesting activities for everyone, especially for young people. I think this will create good conditions for us to increase our knowledge about environment as well as training useful skills. I hope you will spend your free time seeking for this program. And now, Thảo will tell you about current problems and main reasons.
Hello, I'm Phương Thảo. Today, I would like to tell you about the current situation and many reasons cause pollution and about the current problem. These days, our environment is being destroyed seriously. There are many kind of pollution, such as water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution, and not one radioactive pollution. They directly affect to our health very much, and they become more and more popular in the world. So, what are the reasons? There are two reasons. One reason is about natural disaster, and the other is people activity. And about natural disaster, for example, the operation of volcanoes provide a most of gas into the air, and tsunami, flood, and typhoon are causing polluted water in many rivers. And many heavy metal and many soluble minerals can cause disease, cancer, and the other reason is people activity. For example, more of people activity is the main reason cause pollution. For example, smoke, gas, and black carbon are released in production and traffic activity. Organic and domestic waste come from residential areas. People employ natural resources. And chemical pollution come from pesticide, come from growth stimulant, which is used in farming. And then Phương Anh will tell you about the solution to go green. Phương Anh, please.
Hello everyone, I'm Phương Anh. I will continue with talking about how to have a green lifestyle. With this reason, we think that the consequence is very serious, don't you? So, what can we do to improve this problem? I think that we should all go in by practicing the 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle. First, I will talk about reduce. Reduce means that minimizing change in our living by changing the way of thinking and our lifestyle. One, reducing air pollution. Nowadays, the more the number of people in traffic, the more the number of vehicles increase. In Vietnam, most people use motorbike or car to travel. This increases tourist gas in the atmosphere. So to reduce this, we can use bicycle or public transportation instead of using the motorbike or the car. This also helps to decrease the number of people in traffic. To use renewable energy such as wind energy, solar energy, hydro energy, biomass energy, ocean energy, and so on. For example, throughout history, people have used wind power for so long. Egyptian pursue wind, causing the sweat to jet the ship out to the sea. Aeroplane use windmill for millions weeks, and then the American improved to windmill, riding and pump water. Three. Writing recipes such as hamburger, sandwich, and so on. 4. Buying high quality products. The high quality products with and long-term use help us to reduce the cost of living and the amount of waste. And finally, is use cloth bag instead of plastic. However, it is difficult for us to do because the cloth bag are more expensive than plastic bag. Besides that, we must turn off the light when we leave, or use or take a shower instead of a bag, or use the lamp instead of the air conditioner. Secondly, reduce. 1. Buy fruit and soft drink in returnable bottle. One reduce is you don't need to throw them away. Thing you need to do is pay them back when you do them, so manufacturer can reuse it and make a new product to consumer. To make deforestation by utilizing aluminum cans, plastic foam, creating plastic bag is very interesting. And last, recycle. Recycle is collect only collected by factory. And now let's watch a video.
Humans create 5 billion tons of garbage every year. Dumping it all into landfills is terrible for our environment. What's a better way to deal with our trash? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. You probably already help by recycling at home and at school. In fact, 70% of our trash can be recycled. But what happens to all those materials that go in the bins after they get picked up? I'm here at E.J. Harrison & Sons Gold Coast Recycling in Ventura, California. It's at places like these that your recyclables, like glass, plastic, paper, and metal, are sent every day. Let's take a look at the life cycle of your reusable trash. Let it go, Mario! garment each day goes up these conveyor belts, where man and the machine work together to separate everything into their appropriate categories. First to be separated is carton. The material is easy to reuse again once it's cleaned up. Next comes paper. Newspaper, printer paper, and junk paper, which gets compiled here. Plastics of all kinds get separated for later recycling, and glass is moved in this direction. This is my favorite part. You know how two magnets that are similarly polarized will push away from each other, right? Well, this machine uses that same principle. Any metal that comes down the line, like an aluminum can, will be literally propelled into its own chute when it passes through the magnets. Watch. Thousands of pounds of cardboard are now in these cubes, all neatly separated and stacked, and ready for the next step. Here at the New Indy Paper Mill in Ontario, California, 1,200 tons of used cardboard is turned into brand new paper. It starts when the bagels are dumped into giant holes. That's it, hot water that mashes everything up into a big stew. It's here that any non-paper is removed, such as wrapping wire and plastics. Filters remove finer pieces of debris, including the printed inks, leaving as the end result pure liquid paper soup. Gigantic presses then begin the process of squishing together the pulp, which not only starts to form the new sheets, but also squeezes out much of the water, until finally the sheets go through 55 dryers, heated to 280 degrees, and it takes only a few seconds to remove the last remaining bits of moisture from the newly formed paper